All right, guys, slowly getting there. This is part 5. Making some progress. The RX-7 got new side skirts. The M3 is waiting for the front wheels to be rebuilt. Everything's coming along. I did get started on the downpipe for the turbo, and I do have a JDL exhaust. I guess it's just the overpipe and mid pipe, and I'm going to keep the stock catback exhaust. I'm going to use an adapter. All right, so this is the JDL. I think this is the front pipe and overpipe combo. It's pretty good quality. If you see where the pipes go over the front subframe, there's actually a V-band that makes it, I'm assuming, a lot easier to tighten down rather than your normal 3-inch flange. So this is the Mishimoto adapter, and this is for 3-inch exhaust. So this is for the front pipe 3-inch to a OEM style catback. So this flange would made up to a 3-inch flange, and then I think the donut would just go in here to seal off. I really like the tips on the OEM style catback, so I'm gonna keep that on there until I find something. I don't know, I just feel like the OEM style tips are matching the Porsche wheels that I'm currently running, so I'm gonna keep that for now. And I guess eventually, if I do some like 3-piece wheels, I'll maybe get like a single exhaust or something, but we'll see. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, fuck. So we have the 3-inch pipe here. Next, we're gonna have a gasket. After that comes the adapter, and the adapter has just a flat 3-inch, or I guess it's like 2-inch round part, and then there's also a cone. The cone will face the front of the car. That cone inserts into the 3-inch pipe, and then we also have a donut here that will go onto the flat part, like so. We'll use the gasket, and everything comes together. All right, so the full exhaust is on. I have this filter in. It's really tight over here. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe I have it on wrong, but I'm thinking of maybe just ditching this and kind of just getting another filter that just goes right here. And then also I have this nipple here, if you can see that. I'm just waiting on a cap. Normally this would go to, I guess, the crankcase vent, but I'm doing the Cusco catch can, which is going to be vent to atmosphere, so I'm going to cap that off. I'm waiting for that to come in. All right, so now if you look underneath this AC compressor, right below it, we're going to have this nipple here, this one. This will go into a hose that hooks up to the factory intake, and normally when you would turbocharge it, you would also run this into the nipple that's right beside the air filter. But we're just gonna bypass all that, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run this hose to the rear, and then also there's another nipple back behind, if you can see right there. We're gonna pull this hose off, and that nipple is also gonna come out, and normally it goes here. We'll pull it off completely, get rid of this hose, and what we'll do is we'll cap this nipple right here, and then that nipple there will come into a line and T into the hose that comes from this nipple. They come together in a T, and then the T would lead to a catch can that'll be mounted right here. But this nipple right here does have a check valve. What I'm gonna do is pull this nipple off. I'm gonna drill out the check valve so it's completely open, and we'll have full flow coming out of that nipple there. completely drilled out, no check valve or anything. There was on the end of here just a little clip that you needed to drill, and once that clip comes out, the whole assembly comes out. So here it is, the spring, and this would be the stopper. This is just the check valve for the inside. Okay, so PVC is back in, threads were fine, threaded in right away, no issue. I think the STI PCV was probably like 20 or 30 bucks. So I figured I'd save some money on that. And also I'd remove this fender to just protect it for me leaning over it. And of course, I had a nice big scrape in it. I saved myself 20 bucks and it cost 100 bucks now to fix this fender, who knows? I guess when you're trying to cut corners, the universe always has a way.